Hey there, let me show you something small but really powerful. This is the MicrEdge 370, a compact industrial IoT edge processor designed for remote monitoring and IIoT applications. It's built for control panels where space is tight but performance can't be compromised. Look at the size, just 72 by 180 mm. It's super easy to install thanks to the DIN rail mounting. Just slide it in, lock it, and you're good to go. No fuss. For connectivity, it supports a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, GSM and LTE. So whether you're managing distributed assets across multiple locations or remote installation, your data stays connected and accessible in real time. Now let's talk about the IOs. This is where it becomes a real edge processor and not just a box. You get 4 digital inputs including a pulse input up to 100 Hz, 2 digital outputs that work from 12 volt to 24 volt, 2 analog inputs for 4 to 20 milliamp sensors, which is ideal for industrial monitoring, and 2 universal analog inputs, which is configurable to both voltage and current. For device communication, you get 2 RS-232 ports and 1 RS-485 ports, which is ideal for Modbus communication. And CAN bus support, which is great for when you are monitoring multiple machines or generators. And yes, you also get an Ethernet port with Modbus TCP. So it's optimized for reliable data acquisition from diverse industrial equipment over CAN bus, Modbus and Ethernet protocols. It runs on 12 or 24 volt DC, giving you the flexibility to adapt it to different industrial power setups. And it's designed to run in tough industrial environments, from cold mornings to hot, dusty afternoons. And these LED indicators, they're super handy. You can easily check what's going on at a glance without plugging in your laptop. So if you're looking for something that's compact, reliable, flexible to connect with your system, the MicrEdge 370 is ready. Got an application in mind? Let's talk. We'd be happy to support you. Thanks for watching.